Yo, what's up guys? Outrageous Bear here. One of my, I don't know if he subscribed or not, I don't know, but someone commented on one of my videos, and it was the, taking apart the airsoft gun. They were having issues with one thing. I can show you real quick. This little thingy, I think that's what he's talking about, fell out and he couldn't get it back in. So, I'm just going to make a quick video on how to put this back in when it falls out. It can be a little tricky, but it's not too hard, so give me a minute. Alright, so yeah, this piece is what I think fell out, which it's easy to make fall out if you just pull this out a bit. Or not a bit, but all the way. So you're going to just pull this whole barrel out. Or tube, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, and then this little metal piece can just fall out now. Like that. So what you want to do, if you want to put it back in, one, you want to make sure you have it oriented right. So I got it upside down at the moment, and you're going to have it like this, and you're going to want to make sure it's bowed like that. You're going to put that flat edge right down in there. You see that little, this thing? You want to put that in between the middle. So you're just going to put that right in there. Got it sideways. Sorry, I was watching it through my camera. There we go. Okay, so you're just going to get right in here. Make sure it's nice and in place. Like that. Then you'll just take this little barrel and slide it right back in here. Oh, this is hard to do. I ain't got enough room. Ooh, okay. So just slide that right back in. And just slide it all the way back. Make sure this is facing down. It's technically up at the moment, but you know, that's down on the gun. Anyway, yeah, so make sure it's facing down. Oh, hey, look at that. There's a thing in there. Anyway, you just want to make sure that's nice and snug. And there you go. That's all there is to it. And then when you put when you put this back on the gun, just make sure you don't let that go anywhere. So I'm actually gonna hold it. Give me a second. There you go. So yeah, so I just put it back on, and I'm just sliding on like this. You can just pull it here. There you go. Pull it from here, pull it back, and make sure it locks in place. And you can just slide that back forward. There you go. Then once you get it all locked down, it shouldn't go anywhere. See? So you just tighten everything back down and you're good.